Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to share this online document to everyone who has this document link so they can view this document. So we are using Google Docs. So we are going to change online document permission and we are going to remove restriction. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our online document and then you see share, so click on it. Now you see pop up share online document and then you see general access, currently restricted, only people with access can open with the link. Now select. Now you see anyone with the link. Now select. Now updating. Now you see access updated. So we change online document access. Anyone on the internet with the link can view. Now you see viewer. If you want, you can select commentator editor. So it's up to you. We select role viewer and then you see copy link. Now select. So you can share copy link to anyone and then that person or user can access your document easily, but they cannot edit it or change it, only they can view it. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.